We're with head coach, Cedar Grove Academy, Coach Wilson. First of all, unfortunate result. How are you feeling after today's game?
Yeah, man, it's an unfortunate result. No team would ever want to come here and play and get 7-0. But it's a bit difficult. Our squad is very thin at the moment because of a few outside matters or difficult circumstances that we're dealing with. But we came out here, we tried our best. It's just a tough result to take.
Alright, so Cedar Grove, not necessarily a school known for high performance in football. You've managed to put a team together. What was your feeling coming into this season, and how do you feel about this group of boys?
Well, last year we were able to get 9 points, which has been the most the school has ever got in the program. I still feel like the program is young, but this season we came here with a target. We still think it's possible to get out of the group. Despite losing 4 games on the spin, we still have 6 more to go, and I feel like from majority of the teams in the group we can still get a few points from them.
Alright, so as I said, unfortunate result, but what are some positives that you can take from today's performance against St. Andrew Technical High School?
Well, the positives is that I have a goalkeeper who came on in the second half at age 13, first time ever in the Manning Cup playing as a goalkeeper. So that is a positive for me. In the second half, we only conceded 2 goals despite going down 5-0 at the first half. Being able to lock up shop in the second half a little better, that's another positive I can take.
Coach, after conceding about 3 or 4 goals, there's something that I saw when observing the game. Your team refused to go along, your team refused to clear it. You guys insisted on passing it out from the back. Is that the way you want these young boys to play?
Yeah, definitely, because I mean, if we go along all the time, as you can hear from the crowd, they said Staths ball. Now, I don't want my players to feel like they should be comfortable playing the ball long. This is a new day of football. You have to be comfortable on the ball at all times. So having my players play the ball out at the back, despite being down the goals that we were, it's fine by me. It's something we can work on and work towards. It's a perfect team to try it against, because against lesser opponents like ourselves, we should be able to bounce the ball around them.
And what can you take, from the negatives? What negatives have you identified today, and how can you improve upon them going forward?
Some of the negatives, I guess, is the discipline of the team. I guess once we conceded, a few heads went down, and we don't want that from our players. We want us to continue to play our game, keep our heads high, continue to encourage each other and move forward, because anything can happen in a game once you're positive,
And lastly, 6 games to go. What can I expect from Cedar Grove Academy?
Well, I'm hoping to get a good result on Friday against Clancarty. I'm not sure how their result went today, but I can tell you that we're at the bottom of the table at this point, and we'd love to put some points on the board to kind of give us a forward momentum.
All right, Coach. Good luck going forward.
Yeah, man. Thanks.